Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy, and it's another morning, and we'll be doing another backyard caliper videos for today. And we do have this, I think this is 2007 Honda Civic 2 doors, and we will be replacing one of the stud for this car. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so this is the stud that we'll be replacing. Yeah, it's already cross thread. I'm showing it here. So the owner is having a hard time to put on the lug nut. See this? Right there. This is a good one. This is the bad one. Before we could remove this, we should remove the caliper. So this is number 17. Okay. Alright. Right. Let's put it over here, and then should remove caliper. Right, so most of the time, see this right here, there's two screws in here, and this is very soft, so if you use a regular screwdriver, you know, it won't work. So most of the time you gotta use a chisel it like this. Then the other one. Right. Then after you use the chisel, then you can use now the regular screwdriver. Right. Let's remove it. Let's mark this. This is the bad one. Right. And then we can remove this stud, but you have to like put it here because there's like an axis and there's a hole in here. Then when you top this one, you can remove it from here. Alright, let's do that. Let's put it into neutral, twist this to here. Alright, so before you can put it into park, you cannot actually put it in the park because you have to press the brake. You can use this one. See this? Just open this and get a plus screwdriver and stick in there, push it, and then you can put onto neutral. That way you don't need to step on the brake, because you can't step on the brake already, otherwise see this, it will push your brake pad all the way in here. Right then, now see that, you can twist it. Alright, there you go. Now we can hammer this. Right. Let's go. Put some WD-40. Then let's hammer it. There you go. Perfect. Alright, we get through. We're just gonna use this one and a new stud, new lug nut. So the way we do it, we insert it in here. So again, hold on. So at the back, right here, see that? It's a special spot that you need to, there you go. Then, there you go. And then get a knot that is bigger than this, bigger diameter than this, and then you can use this one. Okay, this is a good lug nut. Yes.
Oh, sir.
Hey!
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. Okay.
Nalipata mo, Jiko. Bulb na gatangan ko. O, Jiko, tsinga may isa. Lumagasak ko mong gumatang.
Ti...
Nyate nga eh.
You start? Alright. Nice.
Abo, makauli. Nadagsinak.
Jijay.
Yung ngataw pa. Pangataw.
Alright, so it's in. Let's try to put on the lug nut. Alright, it's going all the way without any restriction. Alright, that's it. It's already fixed. So I'm not gonna show you anymore how to put back the rotor and the, the caliper. So basically that's how you do it. So there is a special space, special spot to put on this one, and then how to put your car into neutral so you can move this one. Alright, those are the only points that you need to, you need to remember when replacing a stud. Alright, so there you go. That's how you replace a wheel stud for, I think this 2008 Honda Civic, not 2007, but I guess they're the same. So 2008 Honda Civic 2 doors, So if you had any question on this video, please comment down below, and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you my next video. Bye.